This SR hanging flex shaft kit uses the flexible shaft drive, the hanging design, together with the handheld drill chuck. Make the working easy with stepless electronic foot pedal and high-precision handle chuck 0 to 4 mm. Suitable for high-precision engraving, grinding, polishing, etc. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful motor. The high-quality motor is made of pure copper. With an external carbon brush port, just unscrew the protection cover. You can easily replace the carbon brush, saving time and effort. Number 2. High precision chuck. The Precision 3-jaw chuck has obvious advantages of stable, reliable, and durable features, providing a wider clamping range. Number 3. Stepless foot pedal. The pedal's area is larger than that of the traditional ones, with stable speed control, wear-resistant, and not easy to generate heat. Number 4. Premium hose. Premium soft hose is easy to fold and compact to store. Soft material improves its durability, extending its service life. Number 5. Easy to connect. The pedal connector can be directly inserted and fastened. Convenient to use and simple to connect. Number 6. Technical parameter. Product: SR hanging flex shaft mill, type, electric, power, 230 watts. Grinding head diameter, 0 to 4 mm. Chuck size, 4 mm. Speed, 0 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. Suitable for carving, polishing, grinding. Number 7. Accurate handpiece. Adopting the precise 3-jaw chuck with stable and reliable features. It has a long service life and a wider clamping range. High-precision aluminum alloy is not easy to rust and comfortable to hold. Number 8. Convenient pedal. The foot pedal, made of engineering plastics, is durable and is not easy to generate heat. The large pedal design makes it easier to handle. It can realize step-less speed change, making the work faster and more convenient. Number 9. Full copper motor. Pure copper motor has excellent electrical conductivity, low loss, high efficiency, and low temperature, which can effectively improve the motor's working efficiency and make the flex shaft run more smoothly. Number 10. Various application. Our 230 watts SR engraving flex shaft is ideal for the repairing, drilling, grinding, polishing, and cutting of glass, crystal, gems, jade, wood, metal, bones, teeth, roots, and other industrial artworks, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.